Alright, so we're packing up, and this is the second time making this video because the first time I didn't press record. Yeah, so good for me. The Gold Wing is just about packed. I have a few more things. I got the cooler I got to pack and put on there. My bag just went in the back. We'll go through the whole packing scheme of this later, either during the trip or after the trip. I really don't want to post until I can show you that it works. I got quite a road trip ahead of me today. I'm just going to West Virginia, Charleston, West Virginia, so not really a huge road trip, but, you know, big enough. And, of course, it is raining today. It looks like the rain will somewhat pass me by 11 o'clock, and I'll be leaving probably a little after 10. It's about 9:30 right now. And then I won't have much rain for the remainder of the trip, it doesn't look like, until I hit the Charleston, West Virginia area, where they have, looks like, flood warnings and advisories and stuff, in effect. So I have to watch that, of course. I'll be on the highway, so it won't be nearly as bad. But that's where we're at. I'm going to get the rest of the bike packed up in the cooler and get don my suit for my rain gear, and then probably stop at a cycle gear and see about getting some waterproof gloves somewhere along the route. Or route, depending on how you say it. But stay with me. There'll be more to come. This will be a road diary for today of my trip. Well, so far so good. Been on the road for about 40 minutes. I'm in Dundee, Michigan, and we're going to get on the highway up here. The rain stopped about half an hour ago or so, so that's a plus. With any luck, this is recording audio with the DJI Mic 3 on the Nano. The amazing things you go through to get a shot when you're motovlogging or a content creator. But bike's doing well. I just wanted to stop to make sure that everything is secure before I get on the highway, so that's what we're going to do. Well, I'm not sure if it's because I'm getting old or because I've been working out. My shoulder blades and back are killing me on this trip. I am at a Sheetz gas station here and somewhere in Ohio, about 2 hours past where I'm going to have to be at my hotel. Not exactly running quickly, let me tell you. It's been a struggle. I did stop for lunch and stuff, but you might have saw. And now I'm stopping for an energy drink. There's a little package of energy drinks from Walmart. They got electrolytes and caffeine in them. These things are a lifesaver on the road where you can't carry coffee. Definitely recommend carrying them. I got me some waters, and we're going to have an energy drink, and then we're trying back on the road and hopefully make it to that hotel sometime tonight. Try and do more video than usual, and this is a struggle because it's so easy just not to video. I get some time on the road, or in the hotel, I'll hopefully see if I can do some stuff about my packing scheme. If not, I'll do it at Mike's. They're all clear headphones. They sound good, but they're still hurting the inside of my ears. I had them adjusted once. Might have to get back hold of the company. I know it takes a while to use something in your ear. It is like a hard acrylic plastic. So maybe, but it feels like this right here is rubbing on the inside of my ear. That's what it feels like. So I don't know if they didn't trim enough off and I sent them back, or maybe they didn't trim them at all. But sound quality is awesome. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this and get back on the road.
Hey Moose, so cleaned up for you. Obviously that won't be there when you get here. I'll move that somewhere over there. But driveway's clear. Can't tell you it'll be clear when you get here because we might get storms, but it's clear now. Watch out for them leaves, they're slippery. So now, I'm going to go clean the inside.
Bike's right out there. Perfect. Gotta go get the rest of my shit. Alright, well, we're gonna get unpacked here and head up front and have dinner and rest for the rest of the night. I cheated a little bit. The camera bag's already upstairs. But, nice little hotel. Small room, but big enough for one person. Got a queen size bed in it. I'll show it to you when we get up there a little more. You probably saw it on the walk-in. But, not bad at all for the trip down. The bike traveled well. The packing went really well. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. So, that's always nice. So of all things I could do, I put my keys in with my MagSafe wallet and deleted the keys. I couldn't get into my room. Yeah, I did that. So all my stuff sitting here. This is my luggage cart and cooler thing. I got a little luggage cart from Goodwill. My food's on the floor. Let's see if we have better luck this time. Oh, that worked perfect. I'll be right back. A little step. Yeah, so memory served. Do not put these in with your wallet, it's MagSafe, or your phone. I knew better. I did, but I did it anyway. Alright, well, this is the room, and that's all my stuff, and I'm hungry. I brought food with me in my cooler. Yes! So I'm going to eat that because I'm starving. Not really sure what's going on, but the cops are involved. And they're done. That's weird.